Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bag review, another bag review on a super cute little bag. And I'm so excited today because this bag is from a brand that I really love and I think is really cool. So it's going to be on a Vivienne Westwood mini bag, and rest in peace to Vivienne Westwood. I really admire how cool she is and I love all her pieces so much. So this is a little bag I'm going to be doing the review on. Okay, well this is the Vivienne Westwood black mini Yasmin bag. My boyfriend got this last year for my birthday. It's just like a little mini bag and I just wanted to show you guys a dust bag. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be putting it back in here after the review because I don't do a good job with putting my bags away in dust bags, but this is the dust bag. And I guess I'll just read a little bit of the description first. So this is the, again, mini Yasmin bag, and it's the Soffiano faux leather top handle bag in black, logo hard wrap face, twin rolled carry handles, detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, bumper studs at base, zip closure, patch pocket at interior. Really mini. I'm gonna also share with you guys what I usually keep inside. Anyways, this is super cute. You could just get it from like Vivienne Westwood, or you can get it from Farfetch and Essence, I'm pretty sure. I am sure because I just read it off of Essence. Okay, first of all, I really like Saturn. I think she's a beautiful planet. I took a full year or 2 courses of astronomy in my undergrad as elective, so technically I am a planet expert. No, I'm not, but I just think it's really cool. Like the way it looks, her rings are just beautiful. So, all right guys, besides the fact that the entire brand is based off of Saturn, I love how it's just so edgy with like the black and silver. They also have like this style of bag in black and gold, but I don't know, something about the gold just does not vibe as much as the silver does. I don't know, like it's so cool, and just the entire structure of this bag is super cute. Another pro I love about this bag is of course the little studs at the bottom. It just obviously adds some protection to the leather because, you know, when you set it down, the little feet at the bottom help it to like stand up and not get dirty or ruin the leather, so I like that as well. And yeah, so anyways, black and silver, super cool. They also have a large version of this, I'm pretty sure. This is the mini, but they do have a large, and the crossbody is super cute as well. So again, another pro, you can wear it as a crossbody, or obviously you can use it as a handheld bag. But yeah, I think it's really cool when you hold it, or I also like to use the strap as well. And there are many holes that you can obviously adjust the strap for, the length. And yeah, so those are just some of the pros. It's a mini bag, but it can also fit a lot. As for cons, guys, we don't have no cons, so I'm so sorry if this video is pointless. I don't know, I think it's really nice. Like the leather is super soft. It's also very durable as well. I mean, the style of this is really cool. I feel like Vivienne Westwood is all the rage. So many people have Vivienne Westwood bags. Like I keep seeing it on TikTok. So yeah, I never really like looked into Vivienne Westwood bags before, but you know, it's actually pretty popular. But anyways, that's a little bit about the review. Let's just talk about what can fit inside. All right guys, by the way, a little mini plug, I'm wearing Olens colored contacts right now. If you guys are interested, I will have it in the description box below. We love Olens colored lenses because they're so good. But anyways, let's talk a little bit about what fits inside. So for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna talk about the wallet part because when I put my wallet in here, it kind of takes up all the room. So we're just gonna assume that we only use Apple Pay, and I don't have a card holder with me on hand right now, but a card holder fits inside perfectly. But besides that, I keep a lipstick. So this is from Merit lipstick. The texture of this is amazing. I mean, it's just so awesome. This is in the shade Millennial. It's gonna be a little mini makeup plug now, but look at how beautiful the color is. Just like a nice mauve-y color. Really beautiful. My Lips But Better plummy mauve. And the packaging of this is gorgeous as well. So Merit lipstick fits right inside, so you can probably keep like 2 to 3 lip products in here. And next I have like a powder and a mirror all in one. This is from the brand 3CE, Style Nanda. Got this in LA, and this isn't just the white powder that they have, but you know, it's got a mirror on this side and it has a powder puff and white translucent powders. So it really is just a nice 2-in-1 product, and I love how like cute it looks. It's just very sleek and nice. So usually just keep that as well. All right, so we love Spotify so much. We love music so much, so just some AirPods, you know. You can also like keep this on the outside of the bag. I mean, some people do that, but I don't do that, but you can do that. I just have AirPods. These are just like the first generation. I don't know, I'm very bad at tech, guys. Like I'm really bad at it. But I just like, I mean, it works, it's good. So I have this one, has a little case pink bow. Easily fits inside. Lastly, guys, I'm from Toronto. Winter here is brutal. My hands are so dry. Like literally my skin is so dry, and I already have dry skin to begin with. But yeah, so I like to keep hand cream with me all the time. It's a necessity in my work bag as well. Hand cream is a must. But yeah, this is just the L'Occitane ultra light cream. This one's really good, very moisturizing but light, smells good, and I just love it. Okay, so those are usually the necessities that I like to take with me. And yeah, there's like room for more, like a card holder. But yeah, 5 things easily. You can also fit your keys in here. Probably not a phone. Like I feel like if you wanted to stuff it in here, you can, but I don't understand why. I mean, usually I like to hold my phone, or I would keep it in like my coat pockets. But most of the time I hold my phone, and I assume that that's usually the case for you guys as well. So I think the mini size honestly is great. Like I love mini bags. I think they are just so much cuter than the regular size ones. And I mean, plus this one already fits a lot more than my Jacquemus Le Chiquito. So best mini bag. Love mini bags that can fit a lot. But yeah, guys, so that is pretty much it for the Vivienne Westwood mini Yasmin bag review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy my bag series in general. I have been slacking doing these videos, but I want to be back doing them because seriously, guys, talking about bags is one of my favorite things to do. So if you guys liked it, definitely give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms linked in the description box below. I will link a couple of these bags in the description box as well for your guys' reference. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.